So I'm delighted to be here at COP16 UNCCD. It's been a wonderful event for us at CIFOR-ICRAF. We've been able to advocate for the critical importance of soil health, of agriculture, agroforestry, regenerative agriculture, and forestry, and how tree-based systems are so critical to land health. We know as the UNCCD Director General has said that every investment in land has returns to $7 to $30. And so our work at CIFOR-ICRAF is how we maximize those returns and how do we maximize the benefits to local communities and to livelihoods. We know that investment in land is critical not only to climate mitigation and adaptation, but also to accelerating bending the curve on biodiversity loss. And so we are delighted to be here. We're delighted to have launched phase 2 of Regreening Africa here. We're delighted to be working with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and having signed an MOU with them today. And we're really delighted for the participation we have here and the possibility to interact with partners, governments, public and private sector to really accelerate all we can do to really ensure that land as our future is really scaled in the way that we can all do together for future generations.